Salve te omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Exarcere ignes animo, subit ara cadentem ulcisci patriam et scelerata sumere poenas. Scilicet aec spartam in columnis patriasque maecinas aspicet, patrioque ibit regina triumpho? Fires burned in my soul. Anger approached to avenge my falling country, and to exact wicked punishments. Doubtless will this woman safe look at Sparta and fatherly Mycena, and will she go as queen with a triumph having been prepared. Oops, actually parto comes from pario, so this would be having been acquired. So will she walk as queen with a triumph having been acquired. Now we have ibit and we have aspiciet. These are both future active indicative endings. So doubtless will this woman safe see or look at Sparta and fatherly Mycena, and will she, as queen, walk or go with a triumph having been acquired? Now let's take a look back up here at exarcere for exarcerunt. So this is syncopation for that third person plural indicative perfect verb. Fires burned in my soul, in my mind. Anger approached to avenge the cadentem patriam, the falling fatherland, or my falling country. Cadentem, notice that nt, present active participle, and to sumere, to exact, wicked punishments, or accursed punishments. And the reason these punishments would be accursed is because Helen is hiding at the altars as a suppliant, so it would be wicked or accursed to take vengeance on her. But it looks like Aeneas right now has the urge to take revenge on her anyways, and he thinks it is clearly so unfair that Helen would get to go back to her country unharmed and walk as queen again, go as a regina. But here Aeneas sees his country being destroyed. So he is upset at the unfairness of it all, and it looks like he's very, very angry at Helen and might do something drastic.